You're about to make a big purchase, maybe that dream laptop, or maybe even a down payment on a new car. You're excited, but then reality hits. Your next paycheck is still weeks away. Now, you have two options: wait, or find a way to bridge the gap. Enter Beforepay. But is this innovative new service really like PayPal? Let's dive in. Beforepay is a relatively new player on the financial scene. It's essentially an earned wage access platform. This means you can access a portion of your already earned wages before your official payday. Sounds convenient, right? But how does it compare to the tried-and-true giant, PayPal? Key differences. Core function: PayPal is primarily a payment processor. It facilitates online transactions between buyers and sellers, handles international transfers, and offers services like online shopping carts and invoicing. Beforepay, on the other hand, is focused on providing employees with immediate access to their earned income. Eligibility: PayPal is available to almost anyone with an email address. Beforepay, however, is typically offered through employer partnerships. This means you can only use it if your employer has integrated the service. Fees: PayPal charges fees for various services, such as processing payments and international transfers. Beforepay usually charges a small fee for each advance, but some employers may cover these costs. Risk: PayPal carries inherent risks associated with online transactions, such as fraud and security breaches. Beforepay, while relatively new, carries the risk of overspending and potential impact on future earnings if not used responsibly. Similarities: despite their core differences, there are some similarities. Digital platforms: both PayPal and Beforepay are primarily digital platforms accessible through mobile apps and websites. Financial accessibility: both services aim to improve financial accessibility in their own ways. PayPal democratized online payments, while Beforepay aims to address the issue of income volatility and provide employees with greater financial flexibility. Convenience: both platforms offer a degree of convenience. PayPal simplifies online transactions, while Beforepay provides on-demand access to earned income. So, is Beforepay like PayPal? Not exactly. They serve different purposes and operate under different models. PayPal is a versatile payment processor, while Beforepay is a specialized service focused on earned wage access. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.